All right, so here we are looking at some solubility rules, and there are many out there. If you look in the textbook, there's 7 or 8 rules, but 95% of the time, these 3 rules will get you through it. So let's just stick to these for now. So basically, if you have a compound and it contains anything from the first group or ammonium, it's soluble. Doesn't matter what else is there, if it has that, it's soluble. If it's a nitrate or an acetate, assume it's soluble. For the most part, everything else is insoluble. There are some exceptions, but for the most part, if they don't fit into the first 2 categories, it's often going to be insoluble, especially if it has lead, silver, or mercury. They are almost always insoluble. So let's look at a few examples. So my first example here is lead nitrate. So if I look at lead nitrate, lead often would make me think it's insoluble, but again, this nitrate presence means it's going to be soluble. So any nitrate, no matter what it's with, it's going to be soluble. The next one I see lithium, which I know is a group 1 cation, so this is going to be soluble. Again, it doesn't even matter what it's with, counting it being soluble. Silver phosphate, so silver is not one of these group 1s or ammonia. It doesn't have nitrate or acetate, and especially it has silver in it, which is one of these ones that is not going to often dissolve, so we can say that's insoluble. So again, these rules will get you through about 95% of situations. If there's some substance, so for example, here's a substance, CaCl2. This is soluble. It doesn't fit into these rules. There are, like I said, there's more complex rules we can see. But again, the fact that it doesn't have lead, silver, or mercury, those are especially, like, count on those being insoluble unless it fits one of these first 2 rules. So again, there are some exceptions. Be aware they exist, and you can kind of watch out for them, but this will get you through most cases. So until next time, I'm Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.